Most cyclists plateau because they train too hard to recover, but too easy to actually get faster. Let's fix your zones. If you own a power meter, everything revolves around one number: functional threshold power. Without it, your gear is just an expensive random number generator. The gold standard is the 20-minute test. But here is the part most people miss. You must do a 5-minute all-out effort first to drain your anaerobic battery. Then ride 20 minutes at your limit. Multiply that average power by 0.95. Too painful? Try a ramp test on platforms like Zwift or Trainer Road. Start at 100 watts, increasing 20 watts per minute until you physically fail. It's mentally easier, though slightly less accurate for pure endurance riders. What about AI auto detection on Garmin or TrainingPeaks? They're getting better, but I strictly view them as a sanity check, not a replacement. Once you have your true FTP, you unlock the 7 power zones. Zone 1 is active recovery, Zone 2 is endurance, right up to Zone 7 sprints. Each zone precisely targets a different biological energy system. Here's the trap. Without knowing these zones, most self-coached riders default to riding hard. That puts you constantly in Zone 3 tempo. It feels productive, but it's a massive mistake. Zone 3 creates too much fatigue to ride every day, but doesn't provide enough stimulus to raise your top-end fitness. It is junk miles purgatory. Real progression requires polarized training, and FTP gives you those exact boundaries. Test your FTP every 6 to 8 weeks to keep your zones accurate. In Episode 2, we'll use these exact numbers to track your cumulative training load using TSS and TSB. Stop guessing, start testing, and keep riding.